I love you so much, Itcha.
Oh, I love you. I love you more, Arthur. I'm yours. And you're mine.
Very happy. I love you so much, my darling.
I love you.
You are my hero.
Let's live together. You can stay with me.
Huh?
Sige ka malang mag-extend. Huwag kami nakanamo.
Kan, gimingaw man. Pero, ano kung magod ang oportunidad din nila eh?
Girlie, hindi po na lang.
Iman. Makisulti ko.
Pa, mamatay na rin pa pa. Gusto ko ka.
Ayaw ko malaki, anak. Base next year, makauli na ko.
It's coffee time.
Instant ka pa. Babae lang ito.
Ha? Kwan dahi, kining, asawa sa magkauban na ni.
What? You want to go home? How about me? I'm pregnant now.
Ha? My God. Makaanak na kami.
But anyways, I know you have a family there. Well, if you choose to go home, you can go.
No. I can't dare to leave you, darling. Because I love you so much. Oh my God. Oh, siya kong bata. Dawa nang akong gugmas akong asawa. Pero usaon ko magpagsulpat. Maong problema.
What are you saying, darling? I can't understand.
No, nothing. Just forget it.